Welcome to the 2015 Shelter Point in Time Count survey trainings. This series of trainings are meant to give agencies an overview of how to appropriately complete the survey tool used to collect the Shelter Point in Time Count information. A point-in-time count is essentially a count of sheltered and unsheltered homeless individuals on a single night. Institute for Community Alliances, Missouri's HMIS project, leads the sheltered count for all three continua within our implementation. Each continuum is conducting both a sheltered and unsheltered point-in-time count. However, this presentation will speak specifically to the sheltered side of the count. By statute of the Department of Housing and Urban Development, a point-in-time count should be conducted at least biannually during the last 7 days of January. Missouri continua perform the annual count on the last Wednesday in January. One of the primary reasons a point-in-time count is conducted is to first understand the extent and nature of homelessness in particular communities. How many individuals and families are considered homeless in specific regions of the state, and what are their characteristics? This kind of information can give insight into the needs of clients we are serving and ultimately can be used to inform policy planning and creation at the local and state level. Information gathered during the point-in-time count is also provided to HUD for use at a national level. In addition, conducting a point-in-time count serves as an opportunity to reach out to service providers and community stakeholders to bring public awareness to the issue of homelessness and to educate communities on what they can do to assist in preventing and ending homelessness. As mentioned earlier, this presentation speaks specifically to the sheltered side of the point-in-time count. In particular, we are only including those individuals who are sleeping in a qualified bed on the night of the count. The night of the count is defined as sunset on the day of the count to sunrise the day after the count. Our point-in-time count date is January 28, 2015. So we are counting individuals who are sleeping in a qualified bed from sunset on January 28 to sunrise on January 29. The projects included in the sheltered count are specifically projects that have beds and/or units designated solely for those who are homeless. This means these beds cannot be occupied by non-homeless individuals or families. Data specifically for the point-in-time count is collected from agencies providing hotel-motel vouchers, emergency shelters, transitional housing, and safe havens. We also collect similar data on permanent housing projects and rapid rehousing projects. This data is not included in the overall point-in-time count numbers, but it is used for the annual completion of the housing inventory chart, which is required by HUD. Definitions of each of these different types of projects can be obtained on the survey tools. There are certain projects that are not included in the point-in-time count, although they may serve individuals who are considered homeless. Some examples include mental health facilities, detox facilities, or reentry projects that house individuals coming out of a jail or prison. Also not included in the sheltered point-in-time count are those staying with friends or family. This living arrangement is defined as a doubled-up living arrangement and by HUD's guidance, not in the homeless service delivery system of the continuum. The sheltered survey tool is being provided to you in two different formats. There is an Excel version and a PDF version, both of which can be obtained on Institute for Community Alliance's website. You may either fill out the Excel document or print off the PDF document and fill the survey out by hand. Completed forms can be faxed, mailed, or emailed. Our fax number is 573-298-6241. Our physical address is 2411 Hyde Park Road, Suite B, Jefferson City, Missouri, 65109. And the email address to be used is sandy.wilson@icalliances.org. There are 3 additional trainings included in this series to specifically walk you through completing the sections of the survey tool. The trainings will cover the general information section, the household breakdown and subcategories sections, and the subpopulation section. An additional training is provided specifically for the permanent housing and rapid rehousing survey tool. I encourage you to view the remaining trainings in this series to ensure accurate completion of the survey tool. If you have any questions, our contact information is listed on your screen. Thank you.